Hey friends, if you wish to view Wi-Fi network driver information on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us open Device Manager and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers, and these are all the network adapter related drivers. You can view the information in properties and details. But see, here's the problem with this method. You will have to check each set of information individually, and for let's say specific sets of information, this would not be difficult. But if you need a complete data, then we have a command for you, which is netsh space wlan space show space drivers. Copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it and hit enter. It will show a lot of information in one go, but this is for the MediaTek wireless LAN driver. I mean the main wireless driver. Okay, it will show you the authentication and cipher, the supported bands, the type of the band supported, and all other information. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.